that very famous design award that's provided by some of the best peers that we can have in this industry. Obviously, one of the things was, the team was absolutely thrilled to actually win this. Just the fact that it's confirming all the hard work and all the incentive we push on the designs. One of the very important things, obviously, was to reiterate all the design fundamentals. The 12 degrees A-pillar, the weight shape for the aerodynamic positions, and obviously all the work that we did on the comfort inside the cab. That was massively enhanced, obviously, on the work on the T-Series that was done with our friends from Netherlands. And it's just a confirmation of the very hard work that the entire company put into the design. So thank you very much for the jury of the Design Award, and thank you very much for the trust that all our customers providing us.